the RHS is very kindly giving wonderful branches of things to use in Westminster Abbey for the coronation of the King. The King's passion is gardening and nature. So in effect, it's a tribute from the gardeners of England, represented by the RHS, of what is in the gardens and looking good at the moment. I had this idea that everything that was used at the coronation should come from Britain, and it should be gifted from the gardeners and the growers. So Flowers from the Farm are gifting beautiful flowers for 2 areas, and the RHS is gifting beautiful things for the high altar.
Being asked to provide the floral material for the coronation of the monarch is a huge privilege. I mean, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for the organisation and for all of the individuals that are involved. So everybody in the garden teams across the RHS's 5 gardens are super excited and super supportive of being involved in a very small way in something that's so monumental and historic for the country.
Because we're so far north, it's quite special to be involved in sending the foliage to the coronation. To have something from Yorkshire in the Abbey, it feels quite special.
Honestly, I'm just so delighted that 2 bits of material coming from Hyde Hall is going to be used as part of the coronation.
I suppose it's another added bonus to try and pick out the plants that we've supplied, so I think it'd be really interesting to see.
It's just a really great representation of all the RHS coming together to gift such lovely plants for the King's coronation.
Everything we're doing, the main drive is sustainability and the least footprint on the planet. And to show that something as important as the coronation of the King can also be thought for. Everything is arranged in water, so they're cut, they're put in buckets of water, we arrange them into more water, that no microplastic of floral foam is involved. We are going to be cutting some branches of beech trees that were planted by the late Queen and the late Duke of Edinburgh. And I think it's lovely, that continuity, that they came here, they planted something which will then supply a few nice branches for the coronation of the King. People can come and see the RHS gardens, they can see where things were cut, they can look at what we've done in the Abbey and say, I'd like to grow that. And I think that's really important. It's simple and thoughtful.